Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sabah Server from Dar-e-Arqam school. How are you, students? I hope you'll be fine, inshallah. Me also fine, alhamdulillah. Student, this time is English reading book. So hurry up, students. Take our English book from your bag. Yes, quickly. 1, 2, 3. Yes, good. This is your English book. Okay, students, are you ready for reading? Good. So look at the board, all of you. Unit number 15 and page number 19. Unit number 15 and page number 19. There is a phonic practice. Students, are you ready? Good. There is a phonic practice of TH. Phonic practice of TH. Let T and H make a sound. Th. Let T and H make a sound. Th. Says TH as in think. Think. Let T and H make a sound. Th. Th. Student, tell me what is the sound of T and H? Th. Good. Th. Let's start reading. Listen, look and read. Listen, look and read. Beginning sound. Beginning sound of T and H. Letter T and H make a sound. Th in thin. Th in thin. Th ings things. Th ink think. Thorn thorn. Thorn. Thin. Things. Think. Thorn. Thin. Things. Think. Thorn. Students, these are the beginning sound of TH. Students, read with me once again. Th in thin. Th in things. Th in think. Th in thorn. Thorn. Thin. Things. Think. Thorn. Now we'll start ending sound of TH. Ending sound of TH. Letter T and H make a sound th. Students, read with me. Moth. 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 Cloth. Cloth. Sixth. Sixth. Tooth. Tooth. Moth. Cloth. Sixth. Tooth. So students, read this page with me. So we revise here once. Letter T and H make a sound th. Beginning sound of TH. Beginning sound of th. Thin. Thing. Think. Thorn. Ending sound of TH. Moth. Cloth. Sixth. Tooth. Okay, students. Students, turn your page and open the page number 20. Unit number 16 and page number 20. The topic of this page is colors. Colors. There are many colors and I have also many colors. Pencil colors. Yes, green, red, blue, purple, pink, black, yellow, and orange. Let's start reading. The topic of this page is colors. Colors. Do you like colors? Yes, good. There are many colors around us. There are many colors around us. Listen, look, and read. This color is orange. No. Blue. No. Red color. Yes. Red. Red. Red color. And this color is blue. Yes. Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Blue. And this color is, yes, orange. Orange. Red. Blue. Orange. Red. Blue. Orange. And this color is purple. Purple? No. Yellow? No. This color is green. Yes, green. Trees are green. Red. Apple is red and green. Leaf and trees are green. Green. Yes. Yellow. Good. Mango is yellow. Yellow. This color is yellow. Red, blue, orange, green, yellow. And this color is pink. Pink. Red, blue, orange, green, yellow, pink. And this color is white. 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 Purple. Purple. Yes. White. Purple. White. Purple. And this color is, yes, this color is black. Black. So students, repeat this page with me. Are you ready? Good. Colors. The topic of this page is colors. There are many colors around us. There are many colors around us. Listen, look, and read. Red. Red. Blue. Blue. Orange. Orange. Green. Green. Yellow. Yellow. Pink. Pink. White. White. Purple. Purple. Black. Black. Okay students, now turn your page and page number 21. And topic of this page is also colors. Are you ready? Good. Listen, look, and read. Listen, look, and read. Look at the picture. It is a crow. Where is crow? Yes, this is crow. It is a crow. Crow. It is a crow. What's the color of the crow? Blue? No. Red? No. Yes, black. Its color is black. Its color is black. It is a crow. Its color is black. Next, it is a, what is it? Yes, it is a kite. It is a kite. And its color is blue. Its color is blue. It is a crow. Its color is black. It is a kite. Its color is blue. Yes. What is it? Tree. Tree. It is a tree. It is a tree. And what's the color of tree? Green. Its color is green. Its color is green. It is a crow. Its color is black. It is a kite. Its color is blue. It is an egg. It is an egg. Its color is white. Students, do you like egg? Yes. What's the color of egg? White. White. So look here. It is an egg. Its color is white. It is an orange. Where is orange? Yes, here is orange. It is an orange. Its color is orange. Yes, its color is orange. Student, we use here an and a. You know very well, here is egg, word egg, and egg start with E, and E is a vowel letter, so we use here an. Similarly, here word is orange, and orange start with O letter, and O is vowels, and we use here an. Tree and crow. Crow start with C and tree start with T, and these letters are consonant, so we use here a. Clear, students? It is a flower. It is a flower. It's very beautiful. It is a flower. Its color is yellow. Good. Its color is yellow. It is a car. Wow. It is a car. It's very beautiful. It is a car. Its color is red. Its color is red. So students, repeat this page with me. Good. Yes. It is a crow. It is a crow. Its color is black. Its color is black. It is a kite. It is a kite. Its color is blue. Its color is blue. It is a tree. It is a tree. Its color is green. Its color is green. It is an egg. It is an egg. Its color is white. Its color is white. It is an orange. It is an orange. Its color is orange. Its color is orange. It is a flower. It is a flower. Its color is yellow. Its color is yellow. It is a car. It is a car. Its color is red. Its color is red. Student, here is an activity for you to solve this activity with me. Good. Do you have a pencil? Quickly, take a pencil. 1, 2, 3. Let's start activity. Look at the board. Activity. Find the name of any 6 colors from the above picture and write them. Find the name of any 6 colors. Students, let's find any 6 colors from this picture and write here. Are you ready? Good. It is a crow and its color is black. We write here black. B-L-A-K. Black. Black. And then blue. Yes, it is a kite and its color is blue. So we write here blue. Blue. Yes. And next one. It's depending on your choice. Do you like green color? Yes. Good. Green. Green. Yes. And then yellow. Yellow. Write here yellow. Yes. Have you done? Good. And there were remaining 2 colors. Red. I like red color. Red. Red. There is 1 color remaining. Okay. We write here white. White. Have you done, students? This is a very interesting activity. I like it. I hope you also like it. So students, read these pages with carefully and take care of yourself. Fi manillah.